Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a basic comparison between Zapier and RPA. You can see the link to the article in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will compare this to automation by generating a QR code. So let's begin. Let me show you first the Zapier automation. On your dashboard, click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose the barcode generator. Now, let's set up the configuration for the barcode value, and the value to be encoded into the barcode. Next, select QR code for the barcode type to generate. Then, click the Test and Review button to test action. Once the test was successful, copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the generated QR code using Zapier. Now, let's generate QR code using RPA. On your ByteScout RPA tools, click on the Add Robot button. As you can see, the robot editor has a built-in code for QR code generator. Now, click on the Return button, and let's run the robot to generate QR code. Here's the generated QR code using ByteScout RPA tools. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.